Okay, I will show how the FX PoC works. For the moment, PoC is meaning a piece of cake. There is a Windows version and here is Android version. It's the same. Okay, in this situation we have to go inside with password and okay, it's going. We have to try to change the price of the article, and now we have one article here. We have to scan. The article is here. It's 30% calculated. If we make print for this article, it will be printed in yellow. Let's try print. Okay, if we change it, make 50%, it will be printed in orange. Okay, if we make this to be automatically calculation and automatic print, okay, let me try again and let me scan the article. It will be printed directly yellow because the article is 26 days in the market and it's 30%. The configuration about this is here. If you want to see why is 27, because we have database configuration of this article and we can check the configuration of percentage. See, and this article is from 50 days to 45, it will be 30%. If it's in, it will be printed in the printer number 1. And then printer number 2 will be printed if it's 46 and 19, and if it's more than 91, it will print it in printer number 3. If we have 3 printers or more, we can add a new, and it is all about configuration of printing labels. The same situation can be also in Windows application. It is not hidden password. Okay, let me try. Okay, it's same. Also, we can use the same situation and from here changing the price. Okay, see now, same. Okay, see now, it's same. Thank you for watching.